In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Google Sheets, a complete guide to ensuring your data remains safe and secure. Let's dive right in and get started on securing your valuable information without breaking a sweat. First off, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. It could be an existing document you've been working on or a new one you've just created. Once you have your Google Sheet open and ready, direct your attention to the top of your screen and locate the Data menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is packed with useful options, but today, our focus is on locking down access to your sheet, so we're looking for something very specific. Within the Data menu, you'll find an option called Protect Sheets and Ranges. Click on it, and you'll see a sidebar open up on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is where all the magic happens in terms of setting up protection for specific parts of your sheet. Right now, we're going to focus on protecting the whole sheet for simplicity's sake. So what you need to do next is click on Add a Sheet or Range. Once you've done that, you'll see a couple of options show up. Here, simply select Sheet. This option will allow us to safeguard all the data on a specific tab in your spreadsheet. Now that you've opted to protect a sheet, it's time to configure who can see or edit it. To do this, click on Set Permissions. Here's where you can fine-tune the access settings. You might want to allow certain trusted individuals the ability to edit while restricting everyone else to view-only access. You can decide whether you permit only specific people to make changes, or if you want broader access control with a read-only option. It's entirely up to you. Once you've fine-tuned these settings to your liking, ensuring only the right eyes can view or edit your information, you'll want to wrap things up by clicking Done. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively added a layer of security to your Google Sheet. It won't require a password in the traditional sense, but by setting permissions, you've locked out unauthorized access, safeguarding your information from unwanted edits. This method is incredibly useful, whether you're managing a budget, compiling research data, or simply sharing updates while preserving the integrity of your original content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know if there are other Google Sheets functionalities you'd like us to explore in future videos. Keep your data secure and have a great day.